different adventure today. We are going to meet some of the guys from the Palmetto Advrally. They've got a little Facebook group, and they put it out there this week. Who wanted to go camping this next weekend? And shoot, I had to jump on it. I was like a fish. I swallowed the bait and jumped right on the deal. So set up a little route. Just so happens it's a trip I've been wanting to do. We're headed up to a little town called Bishopville, South Carolina. Mainly just gonna ride roads today, but Bishopville's a little famous here in South Carolina, and I don't think you guys probably know why. If you do, comment below. I'm sure. And I believe it happened in like around 1988. But just like the Bigfoot, which, you know, we were on the hunt there in off the Scar down there in Edisto. I know that was a skunk ape. But anyhow, don't let me digress. We have our own creature called the Lizard Man. So we're on the hunt for the Lizard Man today. So we'll just have to see if we can find, or maybe the Lizard Man finds us. You never know. But we're going to Bishopville. They actually have a festival. It's called the Lizard Man Stomp. So we'll be going to that. Go see some of the events they've got. We'll be camping at this little state park called Lee State Park. And yeah, it should be a great time. Well, we're coming through some heavy traffic here, so let me get out, concentrate on this traffic. I'll get back with you when we get closer to Bishopville. Alright, ADD hooligans. Peace. Looks like we've got 9 miles to go. Yes, we're in Elliott, South Carolina. Alright, welcome to Bishopville. We've made it. There's the water tower. Alright, so we made pretty good timing, actually. So I need gas, so we're gonna get some gas. We're gonna get some grub for tonight to eat, maybe a couple brewskis, and yeah, we're gonna enjoy the night once we get to the state park. I'm sure the guys are already gonna be there by the time we get there. If not, wow, they really ride slow, but I think they're pretty quick. But never been here to Bishopville. Small little town. That gas station open? Yep, it looks open. Alright, we are going to Lee State Park. We're 17 minutes away. We got supplies. We're rolling out. This must be some cookers for the festival tomorrow. The Lizard Man Stomp. I'll tell you what, they got some rigs there now. It's a bunch of cookers. Wonder what they're cooking. Wings, ribs, who knows. Where these hooligans are. Oh yeah, here we go. The hooligans got a fire going. Hell yeah! That's a warm welcome right there now, let me tell you. There we go. You know it, baby. What's up? How you guys doing?
How you doing?
I'm here. I made it.
Good deal, man.
The Flow Master. What's up, bro?
Yeah.
I got the fire already going.
Yeah.
Word up.
Is that a new one or is it the one you had?
No, this is a brand new one.
That's a brand new one?
Yeah, that's 2024.
Nice.
Yep.
Sweet, man.
So, how long y'all been here?
15 minutes or so.
Really?
10 minutes maybe.
Oh man, yeah. I've already went to Bishopville, got some grub and such to cook, and
I mean, you're hot
got back.
You know, we're a bunch of llama asses.
I gotcha. I doubt that, but I got what you're
We
saying.
got caught in the rain a little bit.
Oh, did you?
Oh, yeah.
I told you, right? I told you. I warned you.
It was nice. It was refreshing, though.
Good. All right, cool. What's going on, hooligans? ADD Gourmet here, and we've made it to camp. Got a pretty nice camp set up here. Looks like we got a little fire, and then we got the boys, the hooligans. Oh yeah, we're getting ready to have a good night tonight. I'm gonna put some sausage dogs, I think, on the grill. Maybe I'll show you that, maybe I won't, I'm not sure, you know. We've been serving up fresh and hot all day. Don't know if you're gonna see dinner tonight. It's been a long one, but you guys got to see Bishopville. Tomorrow we're going to the Lizard Man Stomp, and that's going to be pretty exciting. So you guys stick around, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Next episode, Lizard Man Stomp, Bishopville, South Carolina. Is there a lizard man out there? I don't know.